Compatible with these models: 1999 to 2005 Honda Odyssey 3.5L, 1999 to 2003 Acura TL 3.2L, 2001-2002 Honda Accord V6 3.0L, 2001 to 2003 Acura CL-V 6 3.2L. Perfect fit. High quality, designed to replace original parts with super easy, safe and seamless installation. Reduces common issues: no hard start, long crank time, power, transmission, shift problems or poor fuel economy issues. Professional and reliable, long-lasting build quality to match or exceed OE standard in regards to form and function. 1-year warranty. If you're not satisfied with your purchase, well, refund or replace the product, no questions asked. Top reviews from the United States. Car stopped trembling. This fits my 2007 Honda Pilot 3.3-liter X. My car was trembling, like it's about to go dead. And the noise from the tailpipe was a popping noise. That all went away once installed. Now let's see how long it lasts.